Auxillia Mnangagwa, son accused of changing military command structure. Sanapena mashoko obdanyorwa panapa aiwa zvinzi controversial shake-up in Zimbabwe's special forces spark allegation of foul play. Not more subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Zim obdanyorwa chit a highly contentious change in the command of Zimbabwe's elite special air service SARS has raised alarms across military and political circles as allegations surfaced that the decision was not sanctioned by President Emmerson Mnangagwa himself, but rather orchestrated by First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa and her son, Major Sean Mnangagwa. The appointment, formalized through a letter dated March 28, 2025, installed Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu as the new army commander and directed the promotion of Major Edmo Madema to the leadership of the SAS. The letter, which bore President Mnangagwa's signature, was allegedly drafted without his knowledge, according to military insiders. Sources claim that the letter was timed to coincide with the run-up to the major anti-Mnangagwa protests planned for March 31, 2025. The controversial directive removed Lieutenant Colonel Mayisiri from his command of the elite SAS unit and reassigned him to an undefined appointment elsewhere. Edmo Madema, now reportedly promoted to Lieutenant Colonel, previously served as the commander of the Army Training School in Mbalawala. His appointment is raising serious concerns, given his alleged involvement in grave human rights violations. Army sources linked him to the abduction and murder of Citizen Coalition for Change supporter Tafumane Masaya. Masaya was reportedly seized while campaigning in Mavuku in November 2023 ahead of a parliamentary by-election. His body was later discovered under suspicious circumstances. The military reshuffle has raised fears of deepening factionalism within Zimbabwe's armed forces, with concerns that powerful figures within the first family are positioning loyalists in key military posts to consolidate political control ahead of expected turbulence. Analysts suggest the move could indicate growing distrust or disengagement between President Mnangagwa and the military establishment, as well as attempts by the First Lady to shield the presidency from internal dissent. While no official comment has been made by State House or Minister of Defense, the controversy has already triggered tension within the ranks, particularly among senior officers, alarmed by what they view as unlawful interference in military appointments. Thomas Kwatruko not aiwa chabvunduka ku military uko anytime chogona kungokala tiona kuti aiwa mamwe ma army bosses panguva ino ari kugumbuka nazvo. Tudze mafunguro eimoti kuipa pamusoro pechitwe chipinda comment section yedu. So subscribe or like, just on the bell icon.